Hello everyone, today we're making a seafood boil, Cape Malay style, my version. We're just using whatever is in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm gonna add, my nieces are here helping me. Okay guys, so I added about 60 to 70 grams of garlic and parsley butter. Wait till it melts. Onions. So I can just show you as well. You can lift it up. Don't worry.
It's like that.
She wants to do it.
Okay, yeah.
Come, Jon, you do it. Of me and the food. Zoom. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put in all the onions. So I'm going to add my peppers. This is more, I don't know, I'm going to fry it lightly, not too much. And I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. This is 2 fat cloves of garlic. And because I use the garlic and parsley butter, I don't need much. Chili, green chili. Some ginger, tablespoon of ginger. Smells lekker, né?
Really lekker.
Anyway, teaspoon of white pepper, teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of mustard powder, 2 tablespoons of my masala, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and I'm going to use my chicken braai. Yeah, boy. Yeah. So this is about 2 tablespoons of the chicken braai, and this has salt in, so I'm not going to add salt, the spice of mine. Just cook through the spices. Now I'm going to add a little water. Funny lucky. I'm going to taste it now and see what we need. And normally you can throw in like lemon, vinegar, sugar. This is supposed to pickled fish. Vinegar or lemon?
Anything. Both will taste lekker.
Okay, I'm going to add vinegar. Okay, I'm going to press pause. You guys are going to add a little bit of vinegar. About a teaspoon or 2 to your taste. And a little bit of sugar. Not too much. We're going to just let this boil for a while to get all that roogheid uit, né? Water in. So the butter, the amount of butter will make it thick, but we're not adding a lot of butter. Okay, I'm gonna just have a small taste, see what's happening. Very, very nice. As prawns was pickled them. It's gonna be good in the neighborhood. How do you guys want your onion? Crunchy or not crunchy? Want a crunchy onion? Okay, I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika and a little bit more of my chicken braai. Okay, so I'm adding in more paprika. Please add to your taste. And a little bit more of my chicken braai spice. Remember, we want to season everything. Now I'll just take all these away from me. And bring me a clean spoon. I want to taste again. And we are also, because we are like that, we're going to add some dhania. Because here in the car, gooi ons dhania op alles. I'm gonna give this about 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I didn't boil the prawns. This is 800 grams. Just gonna put it in. It's already deveined, but I'm keeping the head on for flavor. And this is 400 grams of mussels. It's cooked already. Just gonna let this sit in here. And then all this we're gonna pour over our potatoes, our baby potatoes that we did in the microwave. The garlic baby potatoes, and the millies is already done, and we've cut some lemons. So we're gonna pour this in our bowl that already has the millies and the potatoes. Het ek klaar gesê? Okay, be right back. We're supposed to have crayfish and stuff like that. Crab, but also the tiny. Oh, let's pause quickly. Look lekker. Baie lekker. Throw some over the millies. Okay, now I'm going to pour the rest in. This video is dedicated to P Loves Life. Okay. Yummy in my tummy. I'll dish the rest out. Guys, here's our first seafood boil. Cape Town style, with using whatever we had. We're gonna do a video next of tasting it and just enjoying it. Next time I hope we're gonna have some crayfish and crab to add to it, and maybe some scallops, whatever we can. Yes, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys.